Hey coaches, in this video, we are going to be discussing how to copy and paste data from an Excel or Google Sheet directly into the Virtual Combine platform. This will allow you to integrate data from other sensor technologies or collect testing data when you are not connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular signal. To copy and paste data into Virtual Combine, you will first need to make sure the athletes and testing categories match up in the exact order as they do on your Excel or Google Sheet. You will then copy the data from your sheet, click on the cell in the Virtual Combine data entry page one time and make sure the box is highlighted. You'll then hit Control V or Command V on your keypad, and then all of your data will show up in your data entry page, on your leaderboard, update on your prospect sheet, and athlete profile in real time. If you made a mistake or you need to start over, you can hit the undo paste button on the right side of the page, or you can drag the columns or cells you need to remove data in and hit delete.